Turkish Airlines! Oh my God, FedEx and Turkish Airlines! Oh my God, I was not thinking we were gonna see a Turkish Airlines. Wow! Oh, guys, all the times that we've seen a Turkish Airlines, and from like far away, this all added up. 787. Wow, Turkish Airlines, that was you! Oh my God, he's so excited! He's excited as FedEx! Mwah, so cute. I'm proud of you. So guys, this is probably the last video. We had such a successful day plane spotting. We found a 747! And a FedEx and Turkish Airlines. I love you guys so much. Subscribe.